In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the market supplies you need for your small business. Everything mentioned will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, let me know.
Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now.
The first two things you need are weights and tent bags. Sandbags, not tent bags. The worst thing that you want at a market is your tent falling over and all of your inventory flying everywhere. It happened to me. You don't want it. Sandbags you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's. I got this one at Lowe's for like $5. The next find is a 6 feet table. This is crucial to having your stuff on display and just looking nice. This cart has been so crucial to my market needs. You need a cart. Mine literally folds up. You can push it down or pull it back up to fold it, even down to the handle. It extends, it pulls out, it snaps back. I love this thing. You definitely need it because who's about to be carrying all of their supplies for 50 feet? Not me. If you don't have a banner, it is crucial for your market sales. You need to get a banner. This is actually from TikTok shop. I'll link it below. The next thing you need are a tent cover and table covers. It just makes your products, the inventory, pop out. It's definitely crucial. You guys can also see that banner too. And this is just an example. When it comes to a checkout, I think I have the best setup possible. I have a wooden crate, I have business cards, I have bags, I have my signage. All of this goes on top of this crate. So you definitely need some kind of signage. You need some kind of crate. You need some business cards. Make sure you have water. You definitely need water. And then my secret little hack, I bring a candle. My best friend makes candles, and so with her company I always bring at least one candle because it just brings customers in. They're able to be like, oh my gosh, what's that smell? And then now, oh boom, you can see my product as well. Also, having a square reader is how I take my payments. Funny story, my first ever market, I forgot to grab extra cash from the bank, and it ended up working out for me perfectly because I became cashless ever since that first day. And I really recommend just getting a square reader. That will just give you a smooth, easy transition. You don't have to worry about cash. You don't have to worry about change. It's just a easy thing. You don't have to worry about having a receipt. All that is asked in the Square app, which I'll leave down below as well. But everything that I've gotten, I've just kind of gotten all over. And I really just have done the research, checking out the time. My best friend has helped me. I've made a lot of stuff on my own. I made my table runner. You'll see me folding up some shirts in a minute. Like the biggest thing I would say is always have branding. Make sure you have cards, make sure you have table runners. Make sure when customers come to your market, they can actually know at first glance what your inventory, what your products, what am I getting when I walk into your tent. Like, I don't want you to have to talk to me. Some people have anxiety, you know, things of that nature. So just kind of what I would recommend is making everything look exactly how you would want it to look if you were the consumer. Always put yourself in the consumer shoes and get out of that, okay, well, I need everything to look perfect and be perfect as a business owner, because you will not win that way. And I know personally at first glance. So I'm just telling you, push yourself, move forward, save your money. You definitely need a good tent. You definitely need a good wagon. You definitely need good branding shirts. And if you guys need custom shirts, my best friend makes custom shirts. I'll leave her information down below. She has a self-care business. That's her in the background. She's doing something else. I have no idea what she's doing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down below what all you guys want to see next. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogvember.